So what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Kokus FX. Guys, I want to share a testimony with you guys. 2025 is my best year so far. Yes, 2025 changed my life, turned my life around. And at the end of this video, you guys will see reasons why I said that 2025 is my best year and 2025 turned my life around. Earlier 2022, I started doing comedy contents. If you guys go back to my video, you see that I do normal YouTube vlogs and contents like that. Then for so because I had the zeal to make money online. Understand? Because back then to my secondary school, I was reading. I wanted to become a medical doctor, but things didn't turn out well financially, so I have to back off. And what the next option? African parents. They said I should go and learn work. I should go and get the handwork. That's my personal issue, sha. So fast forward to today, at the July 2025, July of this year, I was into crypto from that 2022 to 2025, but I was into airdrops. I was doing airdrops that time. So then back straight forward to today, December 2025. Earlier July, I met my guy. Some of you that are following me up on this channel. Some of you have seen my guy, and so he's an expert option trader. He trades. So and he was like, bro, try forex now. Check whether forex will work for you now. As crypto never say crypto need money now to start something. For you to invest, you guys get big amount of money now. So start forex now. May you know whether God go from there change your life. So that was what my guy told me. I told him okay. Even though around 2024 I been go YouTube, go do one or two check. I might know whether I go understand anything about forex, but I was hearing trend line high low, boy. It was confusing. I don't even know anything about trend the whole stuff was confusing. Like I would just open the chat. I downloaded TradingView and MT5 like straight 3 times, and I deleted it because I don't understand anything that is going on there. So it was like I'm not wasting my time because I don't know how this stuff works. So that July 2025, I took it serious and I said to myself, others are doing this, then why can't I do it? And there was a particular scenario when I was in my secondary school. There was this particular topic in mathematics, quadratic equation. Many of you know about quadratic equation. It's one of the toughest topics that I faced during my secondary school days. But I put my effort and determination, and I was able to learn it through the help of a friend. So I said to myself, when I can do this, why can't I learn forex? Let me just give it a try. Then that July 2025. I started watching YouTube videos. Everything was confusing. So many of you that have been following me up on my channel, you should go back. You see video where I record on YouTube asking people whether I should start forex. I want to start. What is their opinion? And many people was like, "Don't start. Though. Forex is not for the weak. Forex go do you this." So and many people was like, "Bro, start." So many people said their mind, and I said, anyways, I don't need anybody's validation because already I've made up my mind that I want to learn it and there's no two ways about it. So fast forward to today, the reason why I said that 2025 is my best year is that I can now open the chat and tell you this is what's going to happen. And 80% of the time, that is what's going to happen. Remember, when I started, I didn't know anything about forex. Quite alright that this year 2025 I didn't make any money from forex. I won't say that I didn't make because we are still in December. I don't know whether things will happen, anything can happen at any time. Yeah. So, but from that July to November to December, I haven't made any stuff from forex. But the reason I'm giving this testimony, the reason I said that this year is my best year is because this 2025 brought the idea of forex into my life. Understand? So now I can clearly tell you, bro, we're expecting this to happen in the market. This will happen. Now I now know what is a trend line, what is currency pair, what is forex. Bro, like a lot happened within the July to December. A lot happened, and it didn't just happen. It didn't happen because I wanted to. It happened because I was determined and focused that I I want to do this, and with the help of God, I did it. So what I'm trying to tell you is that maybe this, you that is watching me, maybe this year you didn't make that amount that you want to make. You're just failing, blowing up accounts. Do you know many accounts me and my guy have blown? We have blown so many accounts, but each account that I blow, there's always a lesson behind it, and that was solidifies the process, and that is it. So you that is watching me, many of you that have been following me up during my documentations and documenting my forex journey and stuff like that. Many of you see that I've come a long way to this point, and I see, don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. 2026 2026 2026, you'll be like, my prayer for everybody to succeed. But you that is watching me now on 2026, before this time 2026, before this time next year, that's 2026, a lot is gonna happen. A lot is gonna happen. I won't mention anything that's gonna happen, but a lot of good things gonna happen. This year, I would say that this year, from July to this, July, August, September, October, November, December, that's 6 months. I would say that 6 months in my trading journey was backtesting, failure, blowing up accounts. But see, the next 2026, capless, a lot is gonna happen. So you that is watching me, let me give you a little advice. Maybe this year you didn't made that huge amount of money that you wanted to make. That things didn't go as you planned, but at least you started forex this year. you started. You know that you are 90%. Yeah, you don't even. You are 100% more better than those that are still postponing. I will start this year. I will start next year. You have started something. You have blown up accounts. You have gotten an experience. You are doing something. Trust the process. Keep grinding. Don't play. I don't have a lot to say, Sha. I don't have a lot to say. So the main reason I'm making this video is that to tell myself that 2020 is gonna be better. So that by 2020, when I want you to know that, oh God, you have been grateful. I said it and it manifested. Yeah, I'm not just saying it for saying sake. I'm saying it because I know what I'm building, man. I know what I'm building. I'm building a money making machine. Don't play. So guys, thank you for watching the video. It's quite long. Thanks for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please drop a thumbs up on the channel and subscribe to the channel and like the video. Bye bye. Peace.